Dollroom. Long time no see. So today we're going to do a doll review on Tuxedo, Eugenia Perrin Frost. So stay tuned. Today we're going to do a doll review on Tuxedo, Eugenia Perrin Frost. She is a 2020 Wclub upgrade doll. Alright, so here we go. We've got her out of her shipper, and just my first thought is she has an absolutely gorgeous face. And today, accompanying me, we have her older twin sister, Eugenia, Going Places Eugenia. And you can see how gorgeous both of these dolls are. Let's take a look at her accessories. So, looks like she has a ring and some type of brooch, and then her earrings, like a drop type earring. Looks like almost a peridot stone. And then we have her extra hands. And they have long nails. And then we have her shoes. And they have a hot pink bottom. Looks like a Mary Jane type pump. And then we have her little pillbox hat. So let's get these out of the pack so I can show you a closer view of her accessories before we get Miss Eugenia out of the box. Alright, so we have her accessories out of the box, the little cellophane packets that they come in. And first, I have to say, I love these shoes. It's like a modern day fancy twist on a Mary Jane pump. And the hat is textured like a suede. And here are her manicured hands. We have a neutral color, and the nails are long. And here's a better look at her jewelry. So that is a brooch at the bottom and a ring. And then we have her earrings. And it's very tastefully done, very beautiful. I can see using this jewelry in lots of different fashions. And it comes with the two little straight pins to attach the hat to the top of the head so it doesn't fall off. Okay. So now let's get Miss Tuxedo out of the box. Okay, we have Miss Eugenia out of the box. She is just a gorgeous doll. Beautiful face. Love her skin tone. Let's see if I can do a little close-up of that face. There she is. Those startling blue eyes. Now, I'm not in love with her fashion, but you know, we can use those pants and that blouse separately. So we can use them for some good wardrobe building pieces. Overall, I do like the presentation, but you know, she's a gorgeous doll nonetheless. Not what I would have picked for her to wear, but I'm happy with it. I have her certificate of authenticity here, and my doll is 1,785 out of 1,795. So there we go. Let's get this hairnet off of her and put her accessories on, and we'll be right back. And here we are. We're back with Miss Eugenia. She has her little pillbox hat on. There we go. And I did put her earrings on. And she's wearing her ring, and I made a mistake. The nails that were in the package were the short manicure. She actually came with the long manicured nails on. And I love these pumps she has on, these Mary Jane type pumps. They're like a satin material. And this piece right here, it detaches. But overall, it is reminiscent of a tuxedo. It's part of the Maison collection. And she has some really gorgeous hair. Here we go. And it's very similar to the hair that's on Going Public, Eugenia. And let me get them side by side so you can see them up close. And here they both are. Looks like Le Tuxedo's hair might be just a tad bit darker. These are both gorgeous dolls. I'm very happy to have both of them in my collection. So for those of you that weren't fortunate enough to get Going Public, Eugenia, this Le Tuxedo is the very next best thing smoking. I could be very satisfied with her even if I didn't have Going Public, but I'm glad I have them both. So this concludes my review of Le Tuxedo Eugenia Frost Perrin from the Maison collection and the comparison with her twin Going Public Eugenia that came out several years ago. I hope you guys found this entertaining and useful. And if so, please give me a like. That really helps my channel when you give me a like. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe so you can be notified of my future videos. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave me one. And you guys take care until I see you in the next video. Bye.